Do you want to make money online with almost zero effort? Picture this: you're watching your favorite shows, scrolling through your phone, and money is flowing into your account. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because today on this channel, I'm revealing the top 5 laziest ways to make money online in 2025. And wait till you see number 1. It might just blow your mind. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button now if you're ready to make effortless income and never miss out on the latest money-making tips. These methods work on your phone or laptop, and the best part is you can start right away. Ready to dive into the easiest income streams of 2025? Let's go! And don't forget, if you love this kind of content, make sure you're subscribed to Charis Cash so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Coming in at number 5, we have earning from social media without creating content. Yep, no need to worry about likes, followers, or going viral. This method is as lazy as it gets. Here's the deal: affiliate marketing lets you make money by promoting products on social media, and the best part is you don't even need to create original posts. Simply share existing viral content from popular pages or creators in your niche, but add your affiliate links to the mix. For example, you can share trending videos on Instagram stories or TikTok with a swipe-up link to an affiliate product. Sign up with programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Charis to get started. You can promote anything from gadgets, books, fashion items, or even digital products like online courses. Use tools like Linktree or beacons to organize multiple affiliate links in one place. This way, you can promote different products without bombarding your followers with individual links. Each time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And if you want to make it even lazier, use scheduling tools like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite to automatically post affiliate content throughout the day, so you can earn commissions while doing absolutely nothing. Loving these tips so far? Then make sure you subscribe to Charis Cash for more hassle-free ways to earn online. Next up, number 4 is a lazy way to run an online store: automated dropshipping with artificial intelligence. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to the supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. Now, let's make this process even lazier by automating it. Start with an e-commerce platform like Shopify and integrate apps like DSS or Oberlo to easily find and import trending products. The best part, you don't have to handle customer service manually. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT or TDO to manage inquiries 24/7, answer questions, and even handle complaints, keeping your customers satisfied while you relax. For marketing, tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai can help you create compelling product descriptions and ad copies automatically. Just input a few details, and let the AI do the writing. You can also set up automated email campaigns with tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp to follow up with customers, send abandoned cart reminders, and share promotions, all on autopilot. With these tools, you can run your entire dropshipping store without breaking a sweat. If this sounds like your kind of income stream, hit the subscribe button for more automated business ideas. Now for number 3. Automated affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make passive income, but it usually requires constant content creation. Let's change that by automating the process completely. First, set up a simple WordPress blog in a niche you're passionate about, like fitness, tech gadgets, or personal finance. Use ChatGPT or Surfer SEO to help you generate high-quality blog posts optimized for search engines. You don't have to write a single word yourself. Just provide some keywords and let the AI create content that includes your affiliate links naturally. Once you've published a few posts, use an SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast SEO to optimize your site and help it rank on Google. Traffic from search engines is free and can generate sales around the clock. For social media promotion, use scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to automatically share your blog posts across your social media profiles. This continuous sharing brings in more traffic without any manual effort, and each click on your affiliate link could lead to a commission. Over time, as your site gains more traffic, you can even monetize it further with ads through Google AdSense or MediaBeam, turning it into a dual income stream. Want to learn more about automated income strategies? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop new tips. Our number 2 lazy method is perfect if you love online shopping, cashback and reward apps. Why not make money back every time you spend online? Cashback apps like Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Be Frugal give you a percentage of your purchase back when you shop at their partner stores. For example, Rakuten partners with big names like Walmart, Best Buy, and Nike. All you need to do is shop through the app, and you'll earn cashback automatically. Similarly, Honey not only finds and applies the best promo codes at checkout but also gives you points for each purchase, which you can later redeem for gift cards. If you want to earn even more, try Swagbucks, which offers rewards for completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. It's an effortless way to make a few extra dollars during your downtime. With these apps, you can make money doing things you'd normally do anyway, turning your regular shopping into a lazy source of passive income. If you're enjoying these methods so far, don't forget to subscribe to Charis Cash for more effortless money-making strategies. And here it is, the laziest way to make money online in 2025. Using AI tools for passive income. This method is pure genius and requires minimal effort. Let's start with print on demand. You can design t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise using AI tools like Canva or Midjourney for unique designs. Upload these designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Once your design is up, the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Every time someone buys your product, you earn a royalty, without lifting a finger after the initial setup. Another way to use AI is by creating ebooks with tools like ChatGPT. You can write an entire ebook on a topic like self-improvement, cooking, or investing in minutes. Then, publish it on Amazon KDP, where it can earn royalties for years. Imagine having multiple ebooks bringing in passive income month after month. If you want to maximize your earnings, consider combining these AI methods. For instance, use AI to generate content for a blog that promotes your ebooks or print-on-demand products. This creates a multi-stream income setup, all running on autopilot with the help of automation tools. If you found this valuable, make sure you subscribe to Charis Cash right now for more ways to boost your online income. Subscribe to Charis Cash for more ways to make money online fast. And hey, comment below which of these methods you're trying first. Don't miss our next video, it could show you a secret trick to triple your earnings in 2025.